In this lesson, we're looking at the hypotenuse leg test that is used to determine if two right triangles are congruent. So again, hypotenuse leg applies exclusively to right triangles. If the leg of two right triangles are congruent and the hypotenuse of the two right triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse leg. So first thing we want to mark here are those two vertical angles in the middle. Actually, we don't even need to mark the vertical angles because the hypotenuse and the leg is marked congruent for both triangles. And for this one, these are not right triangles. The only thing that we can mark are those two, the middle, the side that they share by the reflexive property. And because the RS is parallel to UT, we can mark the alternate interior angles as congruent. But that is not enough information to conclude that the two triangles are congruent, since we only have one angle and a side marked in the two triangles. Here those two triangles share a side, so we can mark that side as congruent using the reflexive property. And we can use the hypotenuse leg, since the hypotenuse and one of the legs are congruent for both triangles. You can also use side, side, side. You can also use side, angle, side if you want it. So can we use which test can we use to determine that the two triangles are congruent? So first thing we want to do is mark those vertical angles in the middle. And then yes, we can use angle, side, angle because we have two angles and an included side marked congruent. Hypotenuse leg we cannot use because we don't have any information about the hypotenuse for the two right triangles. Angle, angle, side we can use because we have two angles congruent and a non-included side. That one should be yes. And side, side, side we cannot use since we do not know we don't know the measures of the hypotenuse.